Leftover cold tar mix must never be poured down, drains, or dumped on soil because it causes long-lasting pollution. Cold tar mix hardens over time, and the safest method is to let it cure before disposing of it as construction waste. Start by removing any liquid or semi-fluid material into a dedicated metal or heavy-duty plastic container with a tight-fitting lid and keep it in a well-ventilated outdoor area away from storm drains and surface water. If the material is still spreadable, stir in an absorbent such as dry sand, sawdust, or an oil absorbent product until it reaches a firm, non-flowing consistency, and then allow it to cure fully, which can take several days depending on temperature and thickness. Once the mix is solid, label the container or wrap the chunks to prevent contact, and transport it to a local construction and demolition landfill or transfer station that accepts asphalt or pavement waste. Call ahead to confirm acceptance and any fees. Never use solvents, gasoline, or other liquids to thin the mix because that creates hazardous runoff and increases fire risk and regulatory concerns. Keep records or photos of disposal if your local rules require documentation for construction waste streams. Common mistakes include trying to wash or rinse tar into drains, which contaminates waterways and can lead to fines. Stop immediately if you have liquid runoff and contain it with absorbent materials, then follow local spill reporting procedures. A second mistake is assuming small amounts can go into regular household trash. Many haulers will reject sticky or semi-solid asphalt, so always cure the material first and call your waste facility to confirm acceptance to avoid rejected loads. A third issue is storing open containers where rain or children can access them. Always use sealed containers. Store them under cover and post a clear label to prevent accidental exposure and unauthorized disposal. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors experienced with paving and asphalt work and find guidance on handling materials like cold tar mix. We host a community discussion area where homeowners and contractors can ask questions, share disposal tips, and connect about local disposal options and services.